Hi, welcome to my inner circle, my UX inner circle. What is this? This is a very small, tight-knit community. It's a space to learn. It's a mentoring opportunity. Dr. Ralph Speth, the CEO of Jaguar, once famously said, if you think design is expensive, you should see the cost of bad design. And I think likewise, if you think this UX training is expensive, you should see the cost of other UX trainings. I'm Frank Spillers, and I'm the founder and CEO of Experience Dynamics. We're an award-winning leading UX agency, and I am a top performer in my field. So I created, after 20 years of doing UX training, I created this inner circle. It's a small community. We meet up monthly. There's a 3-hour masterclass or monthly meetup, and there's a library of 100 different videos I've gathered over the last 20 years that you have exclusive access to in between. So this is a learning opportunity, and if you're interested in precision, I want you to join my inner circle. This is a chance for you to get better, to improve your process, your UX process, decision making that you might have challenges with, that you might need to dust off and to refine, and to really leverage the, there's over $10,000 worth of value in this UX Inner Circle opportunity, but it's a growing opportunity, a professional opportunity where you can learn directly from me and everything that I've been learning over the years. And like a flashlight that takes you through a dark space, you can go and learn the things that I've learned. In some cases, I'll bring you insights that have cost me thousands or tens of thousands of dollars to actually learn, and I'm going to bring those to you in our monthly meetups in some of the material you'll be accessing. As one participant said, this changed my life forever. I hope you can join me on my UX Inner Circle. I look forward to seeing you there.